In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Manychat trial. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can easily navigate through the Manychat interface and manage your subscription settings. To get started, let's head over to the Manychat website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Manychat URL to reach the home page. Once there, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Sign In button. It should be easily visible on the main page, and this will take you to the login screen. Here, enter your credentials to access your Manychat account. Make sure you have them handy to make this process as smooth as possible. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Manychat home dashboard. This dashboard is the central hub where you can manage all your chatbot activities and settings. Now locate the settings option. It's usually found in the sidebar or at the top menu of your dashboard. Clicking on settings will take you to a new page dedicated to managing your account's preferences. Once you're in the settings section, look for the billing option. This is where Manychat manages all financial aspects related to your account. So if you can't find it immediately, don't hesitate to scroll down a little to ensure you're in the right place. Clicking on billing will lead you to a page that displays all the details concerning your current payment methods, history, and of course your subscriptions. Within the billing section, there should be an option labeled subscriptions. Click on that and you'll be directed to the area where you can manage your current subscriptions. This is where you can handle any changes regarding your subscription plan, including cancellations. After clicking on the subscription option, you should see your current Manychat trial details. There should be a button or a link that allows you to cancel the trial. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. It's important to fully confirm all prompts to ensure the trial is properly cancelled. Make a mental note that some platforms send you a confirmation email once the cancellation is complete, so check your inbox just to be sure. This process enables you to handle your Manychat trial settings confidently and efficiently, without any unnecessary stress or confusion. Whether you're exploring different management tools or simply deciding Manychat isn't suitable for you right now, following these instructions ensures your trial is cancelled smoothly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore other resources available for your support.